Hello, my friend. How are you? How are you feeling? Have some news? Good news? Okay. So, Toyota MMT robot semi-automatic. And what about this? Those troubles codes. What it is, how it's working, how to repair, why, what, what else? Let's go. Phew. Okay. These two kind of codes, it's all about the sensors, wires, connectors, and in very rare situation it can be TCU, TCM, computer. Usually it's the connector and wires. Why? How it working? This code about on the gears actuator, and this same just on the clutch actuator. Okay? How it working? We have the sensors. We have only two kind of sensors, with this and this connector. Them the same, just this and this, it's like a mirror. You see? It has pin on this side and it has pin on this side. Like if I will do this with angel, the pin will here. So if I will cut with knife, I can change connector and it will working. Yes. And how it built? This sensor contain inside two sensors. It contain two sensors. Sensor, connector, two same sensors with three wires. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? For example, it's example. This is plus, this minus, and this is the signal. Again, plus, signal, minus. And then these two sensors working together, always together, and making the same signal. And if the signal not the same, the computer see that has some problem. Always the sensor, always connector, always the wires. Like it's built that it can check himself every time, every second, every moment. It working together, synchron. Okay? And for example, if it will not good sensor, if it not good sensor, you erase the code and code back again. You erase code back again. But if you erasing the code, you drive day, 2 days, 1 week, and then have problem again, it means that the problem here, in this area, or connector, or contacts, maybe rusty, or wires. Because, for example, if the one of wire, no matter which one, will change his resistance, for example, if plus will change resistance, the signal will different. If the minus will change his resistance, the signal will different. And computer see it. And if this wire will change resistance, it's understood the signal will different than this. And it say us about this trouble code that we have some problem. And how to repair this problem? First of all, before change the wires with connectors, you can remove the connector, fully clean contacts in sensor and connector. You can slightly bend the contacts that the contact will much more stronger, and maybe it help. Possible to do it and keep it drive. It drive. But if the problem will back, as no way, need to change full wires with connectors. Like this. You see, this is the brand new connector with new wires. So what we have? We have 6 new wires, 6 new contacts, all new and all the same resistance, no difference, and the signal will the same. And how I'm doing? I'm change full wires by the computer. I keep only about 10 centimeters of behind the computer and cut, and forget about the problem. And how to do it? To not broken the new contact. You see, it's very, very small. If you will push inside something big, you will broke it, and all your job will not good. So how to do it? For example, I'm changing, not cutting all wires. I'm checking one by one. I put the signal, put the beeps on the multimeter, beep, and cut, one solder, one cut, one solder. And that not broke the contact inside, you see? It's very easy. You're using simple wire without nothing. You put it inside and you never will broke the contact inside if you will put like this. You see? Hop. Something go inside, something no go inside. But the contact will okay. So now I will do this job. Yeah.